and you're not using ChatGPT, you're not using Google Gemini or like AI generally to add more value, more colors, for the work for your workflow, I don't know what you're waiting for. And you agree with me that you are lacking behind, far, far lacking behind. You understand? But however, if you don't know how to go about it, that's not going to be a problem. That is where this video comes in. You understand? So, hi guys, it's Iglo here. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. You're welcome to this tutorial. If this is your first time of coming across my video, my channel, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification button so that you can be the first person to be notified anytime I post valuable content like this, and also do well to share this video so that others can also benefit from the video as well. All right, so in this video, right, I am going to show you how to use ChatGPT, Nano Banana AI or Gemini to improve the quality of your image, especially when it comes to manipulation, changing the background, giving your image or images a new look. You understand? So first thing first, right, we are going to be approaching ChatGPT. You understand? So I'm not going to approach it like I have my prompt already, because that's why I said that this video is AI beginner friendly. Like, I'm doing this video purposely for those who doesn't have idea on how to go about this AI, using ChatGPT, using Gemini, using AI to improve the quality of your work as a photographer or as a creative generally. You understand? So I'm going to show you how to get the right prompt for your image manipulation, for your background manipulation, then take it to Nano Banana or Gemini to actually get the final result. So without any further ado, let's dive into it. So I'll just open my Chrome, then open my ChatGPT. All right, so we're going to be using this image. You understand? So we're going to be using this image, right? We're going to be using this image. Now look at the prompt I have here. Like, I already typed in the prompt, but if you look at it now, it's very simple and straightforward, because I approach ChatGPT like somebody who doesn't have idea. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. I just I leave everything. I want to use this image to make a YouTube tutorial on how to use Google Gemini to edit photos. So I need a prompt that I can use to change the background of this image to something more beautiful. Now, forget about the first line. You understand? Forget about the first sentence. The most important thing is I need a prompt that I can use to change the background of this image to something more beautiful. You understand what I'm saying now? Now, let's look at the various prompts that ChatGPT gave us. Let's look at the various prompts that ChatGPT gave us. The first one is replace the background with a radiant, golden, heavily environment, soft snow, glowing clouds, warm sunlight being shining from above, right? Subtle floating, light particles, elegant and divine atmosphere. Keep the subject perfectly unchanged. Maintain realistic lighting, that matches the golden tones, cinematic, high detail. You understand? So if we go through this thing, you see elegant, floral, dreamy. Each prompt has its own unique subtitle. You understand? So you just have to try and see which one you are going to go for. You understand? So you can see this is it. Now this is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, and this is. So let's try the first one first. We'll try the first one, then come back and try the rest. You understand? So now you can see, copy it, and let's head back to Gemini. So click on your browser and click on Gemini. You can see this is a Gemini, Google Gemini. Click on it. So you're waiting for it to open. So once it's open, then we just go straight into bringing in our image, then and start doing what we are supposed to do. You understand? So it has opened, right? It has opened, but let it load finish. So once the loading is finished, then I think we'll just go ahead and we'll just close for now. So make sure it is on grow. Yeah, come here and make sure it is on this program. You understand? So now to bring in our image, now click on this plus button here. Click on it. Once you click on it, so now let's look for the one that we want to use, because now I want an image. Now if you look at the image now, I shot the image in the studio. You understand? Shot the image with backdrop, paper backdrop. You understand? So okay, lest I forget, right? If you look at the image now, the image has been retouched, right? Color graded and edited. You understand? So if you want to have access to my color grading presets and my retouching essential pack, I am going to attach everything to this video. Do well to check the description of the video and you have access to them. So just follow the link and you will see the color grading preset of different skin tone, right? So now just come look for the one that I want to use. I want something outdoor. I want something outside. You understand? So, but I think I'm cool with this number six, this last prompt. Now, sunset desert glow, warm cinematic look. Yeah, I love it. Then say, change the background to a vast desert at sunset, right? Golden hour lighting, soft wind, glowing horizon, warm tunes, reflecting on the subject. Good. Maintain original pose and outfit. Ensure realistic shadows and lighting integration. This is very important, guys. Please take note of this last statement. You understand? Because if you look at it now, right, all the prompt all the prompt has this last statement. Now let's look at prompt 5. It says keep the subject unchanged and blend lighting seamlessly. High fashion editorial style, right? Now if you look at it, let's look at number 4. Prompt 4. Add gentle light halo behind the subject. Maintain natural skin tones. Cinematic lighting, ultra realistic. Good. Now let's look at number prompt 3. Keep the subject sharp and unchanged. Match lightning and shadows realistically. You understand? Like all the prompts have this last thing. It's very important. You understand? It's very, very important. So I'm just going to add to it. So let's go back to, so I'm also going to add something to it. So let's just go to, all right, guys. So you can see now, you can see. So let me show you what I added to it, right? Let me show you what I added to it. I said, okay, let me show you the prompt first. I said, change the background to a vast desert at sunset, right? Golden hour lighting, soft wind, glowing horizon, warm tunes, reflecting on the subject. Good, right? Now it went further to say, maintain original pose and outfit, ensure realistic shadows and lightning integration. You understand? That was the prompt that the ChatGPT gave us. Now, I now added that keep the subject exactly the same. Do not alter face, pose, or outfits. Only change the background and match lightning naturally. You understand? So let's see the result of what we have. So guys, you can see this is what we have. You can see from here to here. Like this is so good. This is so amazing. Like this is so real. You understand? So this is how you can use, ChatGPT to get prompts and use Gemini or Nano Banana AI to actually improve the quality of your work. You understand? Like in so many ways, it's just for you to be creative enough and think outside the box. You understand what I'm saying? So we're going to download the image now. If you want to download, you can see come up here. You can see share image, copy image, or download full size. We're going to download full size. So yeah, we're going to download full size. So you can see the image is downloading. Once it's finished downloading, then we just go ahead and I'll show you. Yeah, image downloaded. So the image has been downloaded. Now you can see this is it, right? So guys, can you see? This is how easy and fast it is. This is how to use ChatGPT plus Gemini or Google Gemini to improve your workflow, improve your work generally, like your creativity, as a photographer. You understand? So you really need this. Like I don't even know how to buttress it. This is very important. You understand? This is very, very important. So guys, let's go back to download and I'll show you the image. All right. So you can see this is download. You can see this is the image. You can see. So let me bring the original here now. So let me show you. This is it. This is before. This is after. This is before. This is after. This is before. This is after. Guys, everything looks so real and natural. You understand? Like the way the sunset is reflecting on the clothes and the shadow it casted on the casting on the floor. Everything looks so seamless, natural, and realistic. You understand? So this is how to use ChatGPT and Gemini to manipulate your background, change the background of your photo, to change the background of your photos. You understand? So in so many ways that you can use this two websites to actually improve the quality of your job. You understand? So I don't know what you're waiting for if you're a photographer and are not here using or inculcating AI into your workflow. In fact, you are really missing out a lot. You understand? So guys, let me know what you think about the video. Let me know what we want to talk about in my next video, and trust me, I'm going to do justice to that as soon as possible. Go. So guys, see you in my next video. And if you watch this video to this moment, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're here to do so, turn on the notification button, share this video so that others can also benefit from the video as well. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye.